Testosterone, the hormone that fuels energy, confidence, strength, and even mental clarity, is slowly being drained out of our bodies, and most of us don't even realize it. The scariest part? It's the everyday things we do, the habits we've normalized, and the lifestyle choices we don't even think twice about that are causing this silent decline. If you've been feeling sluggish, unmotivated, weaker than you used to, or even noticing changes in your mood or body, this might just be the wake-up call you need. So buckle up, because we're going deep into the 10 everyday things that are absolutely destroying your testosterone levels and, more importantly, what you can do to fix it. First up, let's talk about something we all experience: stress. Now, stress isn't just a mental thing. When you're constantly stressed, whether it's because of work, finances, relationships, or just life in general, your body goes into survival mode. This triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that, in small doses, helps you handle short-term challenges. But when stress becomes chronic and cortisol stays elevated, it's like a constant red light for testosterone production. Your body essentially puts your testosterone-making factory on pause because it thinks survival is more important than reproduction. And that makes sense from an evolutionary standpoint, but in modern life, it's a disaster. Chronic stress doesn't just kill your testosterone. It drains your energy, wrecks your focus, and leaves you feeling like a shadow of yourself. The fix? You've got to make time for relaxation, whether it's meditation, yoga, or even just taking a walk outside. Speaking of relaxing, let's talk about sleep or the lack of it. How many of you are running on fumes, getting maybe 5 or 6 hours of sleep a night if you're lucky? Bad news, that's destroying your testosterone. During sleep, especially during deep REM sleep, your body does some of its most important repair work, and this includes producing testosterone. If you're skimping on sleep, your body doesn't have the time or resources to generate the hormones you need to feel strong and energized. Studies show that just 1 week of bad sleep can lower testosterone by as much as 15%. Over time, that adds up. If you're serious about optimizing your testosterone, you need to treat sleep like the sacred ritual it is. Blackout curtains, no screens before bed, and a consistent sleep schedule can work wonders. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: alcohol. I know, after a long day, a beer or two feels like the perfect way to unwind. But here's the deal: alcohol is a testosterone killer, especially when consumed in excess. Beer, in particular, contains phytoestrogens, which are plant compounds that mimic estrogen in the body. Combine that with the fact that alcohol impairs your liver's ability to break down estrogen, and you've got a recipe for hormonal disaster. And don't even get me started on binge drinking. That can tank your testosterone levels almost instantly. I'm not saying you have to give up alcohol entirely, but moderation is key. Stick to occasional drinks and try switching to red wine, which has some health benefits when consumed responsibly. Another major testosterone killer: carrying too much body fat. Look, I'm not here to body shame anyone, but the science is clear. Excess fat, especially around the belly, is a problem for testosterone. Fat tissue contains an enzyme called aromatase, which converts testosterone into estrogen. So the more fat you're carrying, the more testosterone you're losing. It's a vicious cycle because low testosterone makes it harder to lose fat, and more fat leads to even lower testosterone. The solution? Get active and clean up your diet. Focus on resistance training, high-intensity workouts, and a diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and vegetables. Speaking of activity, let's talk about what happens when you don't move enough. A sedentary lifestyle is another silent killer of testosterone. Your body was designed to move. When you spend your days sitting at a desk, slouching on the couch, and skipping workouts, your body gets the message that it doesn't need to produce as much testosterone. Exercise, especially strength training and high-intensity interval training, sends a powerful signal to your body to ramp up testosterone production. So if you're not already hitting the gym or staying active, now's the time to start. Even a 20-minute workout can make a difference. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Next up is something most people never think about: what you're eating. Diet plays a huge role in testosterone production. If your meals are loaded with processed foods, refined sugars, and trans fats, you're basically starving your body of the nutrients it needs to make testosterone. Zinc, magnesium, vitamin D, and healthy fats are all essential for testosterone production. Without them, your levels will plummet. On top of that, diets high in sugar cause insulin spikes, which are bad news for your hormones. The fix? Eat clean. Prioritize whole foods, healthy fats like avocados and nuts, lean proteins, and plenty of green vegetables. While we're on the topic of food, let's talk about plastics and chemicals. Every day, we're exposed to chemicals like BPA and phthalates, which are found in plastic bottles, food packaging, and even household products. These chemicals are endocrine disruptors, meaning they mess with your hormones. They can mimic estrogen and block testosterone, leaving you with a hormonal imbalance that's tough to fix. The solution? Switch to glass or stainless steel for water bottles, avoid microwaving food in plastic containers, and look for BPA-free products whenever possible. Let's not forget about smoking. We all know smoking is bad for your lungs and heart, but did you know it's also bad for your testosterone? Smoking damages the Leydig cells in your testes, which are responsible for producing testosterone. It also impairs blood flow, which can lead to other issues in the bedroom, if you catch my drift. If you're still smoking, quitting is one of the best things you can do for your hormones and overall health. Another hidden factor is low vitamin D levels. This one's huge because vitamin D isn't just a vitamin, it's a hormone precursor. Your body needs it to produce testosterone. The problem is, most of us aren't getting enough sunlight, especially if you live in a place with long winters or spend most of your time indoors. Without sufficient vitamin D, your testosterone levels will suffer. The fix is simple: get outside and soak up some sun for at least 15 to 20 minutes a day, or consider taking a vitamin D supplement if sunlight isn't an option. Finally, let's talk about soy. Now, I'm not saying soy is the devil, but it does contain phytoestrogens, which are plant-based compounds that mimic estrogen in the body. For most people, moderate soy consumption won't cause a problem, but if you're consuming a lot of soy products, think tofu, soy milk, and soy-based protein bars, it could potentially interfere with your testosterone levels. If you're concerned, try limiting your soy intake and see if it makes a difference. So there you have it, folks. 10 everyday habits that are secretly killing your testosterone. The good news? You can take back control. By addressing these factors, managing stress, prioritizing sleep, cleaning up your diet, staying active, and avoiding harmful chemicals, you can rebuild your testosterone levels and feel like yourself again. Let me know in the comments if any of these hit home for you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing content. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.